One of the benefits of owning Amazfit GTR 4 is that you can put your own music on the watch and you can play the songs through the speaker or Bluetooth earphones. To transfer your music files, open the Zap app. Tap on Profile, Amazfit GTR 4. Here, scroll below and open the music option. On the next screen, you will find Upload icon in the center of the app. Tap on it. This will ask you to select the music files you want to move to your watch. Select the files and tap on Upload. Wait for some time. Wi-Fi settings will open up on your phone. Here you will need to connect to temporary Wi-Fi created by Amazfit GTR 4. Connect your phone to the Wi-Fi and this should bring you back to the app. And now the app will start transferring the songs automatically to your watch. Once the transfer is complete, you will find all your files in Amazfit GTR 4's music player app. Now I am going to tell you some settings and share how you can find your transferred music on GTR 4. Go to the menu and look for the music player app. Open the music app on your watch. Swipe from below and you will find the switch mode, my playlist and Bluetooth options. I will tell you what each option does one by one. The first option is switch mode. Tapping on it will turn off your ability to play transferred music on the watch. Instead, now you can only control the music that's being played on your device. So if you don't plan to transfer your own music, then change the mode from watch music to phone mode. I will be switching from phone mode to watch mode again to show where you will find the transferred music. Tap on my playlist and now tap on all music option. Here you will find all the music uploaded to the watch. The last option is Bluetooth audio. Tapping on it will take you to the Bluetooth settings. Here you can connect your watch to Bluetooth speakers or earphones. You can also find these options in settings, but accessing them from the music player is more convenient. Let's now talk about how you can access the music player on your watch. Open any workout profile, swipe right to left and here you will find the music player. You can play, pause and change music using the control panel. The music player also allows you to control the volume of the speaker or earphones. Tapping on this assistant icon will give you the option to change from watch mode to phone music control mode. Basically, it switches from playing music on the watch to controlling your phone's music and vice versa. So guys, that's how you can transfer and configure the music player on your Amazfit GTR 4. Hopefully you found this video useful and don't forget to tell us by pressing that thumbs up button. That's all for today. See you here next time.